Hello friends, today I am going to share my Gajar Halwa recipe with you all. It's a very easy recipe, so do give it a try. If you like the content, please share with your family and friends and do give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon for new video updates. Take 1 kilo carrots, wash them properly and peel the skin and then grate them. Boil 1 liter of milk in a pan and keep it aside. Take a wide bottom pan or karhai, then add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee to it. Add 2 to 3 crushed cardamom. Add the grated carrots and then cook on medium flame for at least 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Carrots will release water and reduce. Add the milk at this stage and then cook again. Keep cooking until the milk reduces, so it will take some time. Keep stirring occasionally. Adding half a cup of sugar at this stage. Please adjust the sugar according to your taste buds. The halwa is almost done. I am going to switch off the flame now. Add your choice of nuts. Gajar ka halwa tastes best when served hot. Garnish with more nuts when you serve. Hope you liked the content. So see you in my next video.